Good morning, everyone. Today, we are exploring the enchanting ending of The Magic Brocade by Aaron Shepard, a story that blends love, art, and imagination into a beautiful fairy tale world. This particular passage shows the moment when Chain and his mother step into the magical brocade. They created a perfect fusion of human devotion and divine beauty. Before we look at the ending, let's recall the story. A poor widow spends her life weaving a beautiful brocade showing the Sun Palace, a world of light, flowers, and fairies. When the brocade is carried away by a magical wind, her son Chain sets out on a dangerous journey to recover it. After many trials, he finally reaches the world within the brocade, and that is where this scene begins. It marks the point where imagination becomes real, and the dream takes physical form. As Chain and his mother reach the magical realm, they are greeted by Lien, the fairy lady of the brocade. Her first words are filled with urgency and wonder. Quickly, while the wind still blows, step into the brocade. Lien represents the guiding spirit of art. She invites them into the very world that was once only imagined. This moment symbolizes crossing the boundary between reality and creativity, an act of faith that rewards both courage and love. When Chain takes his mother's arm and steps into the shimmering brocade, it is more than a magical event, it is a symbolic transformation. It shows his love and belief in his mother's dream. The shimmering effect described by the narrator captures the moment when art becomes alive, when imagination turns into experience. They are no longer mere humans, they become part of the beauty they created. In the Sun Palace, everything glows with wonder. The fairies gather around, and Lien welcomes the widow with respect, saying, "We wish you to live with us and teach us the secrets of your craft." This marks the highest honor for an artist, recognition by divine beings. The widow's art is no longer just a human talent, it becomes sacred and eternal. Aaron Shepard here celebrates the artist's spiritual journey, the moment when art transcends mortality. After the fairies' welcome, the story turns to Chain and Lien. Chain smiles, a gesture of peace and understanding, and agrees to stay. He marries Lien, uniting human love with divine grace. This symbolizes harmony between two worlds, the mortal and the magical, and represents the reward for bravery, selflessness, and love. It's a classic fairy tale reward, but also a spiritual one. The story ends with, "And people say there are no brocades finer than the ones they weave at Sun Palace." Literally, this means Chain and his mother continue weaving beautiful brocades in the fairy world. Symbolically, it means true art is timeless. What's created with love, imagination, and sacrifice becomes immortal, just like their brocade, now wove.